Hello all, Cheryl here on Lake Erie once again. I am at a different shoreline, which is in Kingsville. I'm trying to zoom out, okay. So it's beautiful scenery, as you can tell. The sun is shining, it's so bright. The water is semi-cool. Actually, it's a little bit warmer on this shoreline than it was on the last one where I was. Yes. She's gorgeous. This water is so clear here too. Clean and clear. It just bubbles. Yes, so it's in Kingsville, Ontario, Canada, and the street, if anyone wants to know, I'll be leaving soon, so I can share the street now. It is called Wellington Union Avenue. Beautiful. There's a nice walkway through the bush up in here. Yeah, you park at a dead-end street and then walk on down. Quite a few stairs. So if you have issues with walking, get someone to help you. It would be a bit of a jaunt. And I wanted to share this. So beautiful. I call it woo! I call it it's a little bit chilly here. I call it live nature artwork, and let's see if you can get it. Whereabouts is it? I hope you can see it. I can't see with the sun, but anyways, look at that. Beautiful. Yes. Seaweed is growing onto the rocks. Gorgeous. It's like the most beautiful piece of artwork I've seen in a long time. Gorgeous. And as a seagull goes by, over in that direction is a water treatment plant. But the water is so beautiful and clean here. There's a jet in the sky. And some beautiful homes up there. I usually walk on this shoreline. If you walk a little bit further down this way towards the west, the sun's going down that way. There's actually all of these huge rocks that were put in. And I don't think they were natural. They were brought in by some of us humans. Yes, to protect the shoreline. Anyways, the water levels seem to be a little bit higher here, like in so many other places. And I usually walk along the rocks, and then there's a nice little hidey hole right over on that side, a nice little private area if you want to go. Yes. I'd have to take a look one day. I'm gonna go take a little hike there now to see how much water is really there. Anyways, I just wanted to share another lovely day. October the 1st. Really, October the 1st, and I'm in the waterway. I could actually go swimming. It's really beautiful. October the 1st, Kingsville, Ontario, Lake Erie. Take care all, and keep nature within. Peace out. Peace and love. Yes, and freedom.